Namaskar. Welcome to our channel Musky Twins. Today we are here to present the story of our 16th February on the occasion of his birth anniversary. He was Captain Gurbacchan Singh Salaria of 3x1 Gurkha Rifles. He was born on 29 November 1935 at Shakargarh, Punjab, present-day Pakistan. He was an alumnus of King George Royal Indian Military College and National Defence Academy. He was the first person to be decorated with PVC for an operation overseas. Yes, you heard it right. He was a part of Operation Unokot in Congo Africa. On 5 December 1961, the 3x1 Gurkha Rifles were tasked to clear the road to Elizabethville Airport. Around 150 rebels had seized the road. Captain Salaria had a precision strike on the rebels and engaged hand-to-hand fight, shouting, "Ayo Gorkhali!" In the skirmish, 40 Katangish rebels were killed by Captain Salaria and his team, with rest or few and confusion and fear. Unfortunately, the brave Gurkha attained martyrdom. That's all for today. We will meet you on the next episode with the story of Major Shaitan Singh Bhati. Till then, stay blessed. Jai Hind.